These clappers were made from an old cherry tree. I had them make 50 pairs of clappers from the tree, and from those 50 I chose just one pair. You put oil on them, camellia oil. Let them sit for several weeks in a dark place, and then do it again. That's how you get this beautiful color that looks as though you've lacquered them. You also get a really nice sound. As for striking the clappers together, well, there's a cord wrapped around here. It's not wrapped this way for no reason. You splay them like this and then strike them together. For a really nice sound, 3 parts of the strength goes to your left hand and 7 to your right. Here we go.
Nice.
That's the sound. Here we go. That's the sound.